This is Paneflow. Right now, several agents are working in parallel inside real terminals. I built it because more agents should save time, but I kept losing that time tracking who was working, who was waiting, what had failed, and what each one had changed. Coordination became the real problem. Paneflow keeps every session visible with its work tree, diff, and status. I can jump into the terminal, take over, then open review to see what changed. Paneflow existed before Build Week. The choice was simple. Ghostty was a better foundation than Alacrity across every area that mattered to Paneflow, and developers already loved it. I shipped it as the default on Linux, then ported the architecture to Windows. I used GPT-5.6 Sol throughout Build Week, with Codex CLI on Linux and Codex app on Windows. I started with simple constraints. GPU-I owns rendering. Ghostty provides terminal state. Native artifacts stay pinned. Cargo stays offline. With Ultra Reasoning, GPT-5.6 Sol helped me study Ghostty and Ghostling. I asked it to turn that work into 2 PRDs, then implement them with custom codex skills I had written and audited with GPT-5.6 Sol. The work spanned dozens of sessions. The best example is this resizing bug. The terminal looked fine, then its content jumped when I resized the window. I spent over an hour in one session. The loop was simple. Reproduce the problem. Let GPT 5.6 Sol propose a hypothesis. Adjust the code with Codex. Repeat. On Windows, I used Codex app and computer use to drive the actual app. That's how we found issues the library tests could not see. I didn't want to just decide it looked right. Codex helped me build 135 differential tests between Ghostty and Alacrity, plus 2 fuzzing targets. Here, Ghostty stays stable as I resize the window. If anything breaks, I can switch straight back to Alacrity. I also used GPT 5.6 Sol with X-High reasoning to redesign the visual identity, then computer use and browser use to recreate Paneflow's GPU-I interface on paneflow.dev. Codex accelerated Paneflow, and Paneflow let me manage all those sessions. My vision is simple. I want to ship an agentic ecosystem that adapts to this new way of building software. Paneflow is the central pillar.